Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you do pictures in picture in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to do this, at first I'm going to take this picture here. As you can see, this tiger, and after that I'm going to put another kind of picture, just like if I put this PNG, I'm going to put another one, just like uh, this one. And after that, here you can see this UFO. Just double click on it and you can just move anywhere you want, just like from here to here. You can make it size small or bigger as you like. You can move it in the picture if you want, making it as the tiger video. And here you can see the position. Just put a keyframe at the beginning and a scale frame also. Now let's just move the keyframe after 2 seconds and move it like this, and make it like this. Now just make it like this, making it bigger. And now you can see this. So guys, that's how you can make pictures in pictures or do pictures in pictures in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.